Cosmic Kids Yoga Pose Universe.
Easy yoga poses you can learn.
Boat pose. Coming to sit on our bottoms with our hands behind us for balance. Feet flat, knees bent. Now lift up one foot, lift up two, lift up one hand and lift up no hands. Boat pose is really good for giving us a strong core, and that's our back and tummy muscles. Tree pose. Standing nice and tall, we bring one foot on top of the other using our heel. Our knee turns out to the side. We bring our hands together at our hearts and we grow our branches up nice and tall, stretching as high as we can. Wow, well done everyone. Now tree pose is really good for stretching our sides, practicing our balance and for strengthening our back and our legs. Well done. Star pose. Taking our feet nice and wide and our arms wide, we sparkle brightly like a big beautiful star, twinkling our fingers a little bit too to give us some extra sparkles. Now star pose is a brilliant pose to do because it makes you feel big and it's a big stretch for your whole back and body. It's wonderful. Flying pose. Standing up nice and tall. We lift up one of our legs and find a spot to focus on, trying not to wobble. Now we stretch our leg all the way back out behind us, like we're pressing it against a wall, using our tummy muscles to stay strong. We stretch our arms wide like wings. Crescent moon pose. Bringing our feet together, our arms up above our head, our hands to touch. Let's lean over one way, making ourselves into the shape of a beautiful crescent moon or a banana. Now this pose is brilliant for giving us a big stretch all the way up our sides. It's also great for giving us more space to breathe, better posture and core strength. And it's lovely to do first thing in the morning when we wake up. Snake pose. Coming to lie on our tummies. We point our toes back behind us, our hands underneath our shoulders. We roll our shoulders back and we wiggle up like we're hissy snakes. Ready? Snake pose is a winner for strengthening our backs and opening our chests. It's a really lovely pose. Oh, hello. Mouse pose. Coming down to kneel with your big toes to touch, taking your knees nice and wide to make some space. Now fold your body all the way forwards, letting your head rest on the floor, your arms down by your side, and let's have a little squeak, 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 like a little mouse. Ah. Cat pose. Now, funnily enough in yoga, cats are usually put together with cows. Yes, so it's called cat-cow pose. Let's try it now. Come down onto hands and knees and spread your fingers nice and wide, tucking your toes. Let's start with the cat pose. Arching your back, looking into your tummy and lengthening your spine. Now it's time to take it into the cow pose. We dip our belly down and we lift our tail and chest and wiggle waggle our tail. Very good everyone, breathing out. Dog pose. Coming down onto our hands and our knees. We spread our fingers wide, tuck our toes and press our hips up to the sky. Yes. Now look, there's a friend. Hello. Oh, that's nice. Now, dogs always like to wag their tails when they're pleased to see you. So let's try that now. We reach up with one of our legs and we give it a wag. Waggle, waggle, waggle. Very good. Surfer pose. Standing with your feet wide. Front toes point forwards, back toes point to the side. Now bend into your front knee and stretch your arms out nice and wide, like you're whooshing along, riding the waves like an awesome surfer. Now I wonder if we can surf backwards. Let's jump and surf the other way. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoo! Wow, we are awesome surfers. Let's do some more. Lion pose. Coming down to kneel with your hands on your lap. Now, lion pose is brilliant for getting all of your stress out. You stick out your tongue and make your eyes as big as can be. Now, we're going to clap our hands on our laps 3 times together and then come up to do our roar. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oops, sorry. False alarm.